We're in Canada. Last night was too windy. Look what happened to the Canadian flag. Oh, dog. What's up, cuz? Yeah. We out here in a grow up community. We got bunch of premature, you know. They already know what we does. Yeah. Oh, believe that? Yeah, we're living that for real. My neighbor right there. He's not home, you know. He went to UK to see his grandma. My neighbor, they're not home, but you know we can still go there anytime we want. Fred went to Toronto, and my neighbor Alex, he's not home either. Just us. We gotta stay away from the zombies. You don't want to get bitten. You feel me? All right, we're just trying to make everything nice. We're gonna have a party. Party. When we get too high, we might go there. Just end it quick. We're still living. Yeah. Signing out for now. Woo woo.